Hi guys, if your Instax mini abo is running low in storage, adding a micro SD card is the easiest way to save more photos without constantly deleting the images. So in this video, you are going to learn how you can insert the SD card correctly and avoid the common set of mistakes. So the Instax mini abo supports the micro SD card and the micro SD HC cards for extra storage. Fujifilm officially recommends compatible cards for the smoother performance. So a smaller card like a 16 GB or 32 GB is usually more than enough because the camera can store hundreds of photos per gigabyte. Now, before inserting your camera, you just have to make sure that it is fully powered off. This is going to help you prevent the file corruption and memory detection issues during the installation. After turning off your camera, what you need to do is you just have to simply open the small side cover of the camera body. So the side cover is going to be located over here. Now when you basically remove it, inside it you are going to see the USB charging port, and just right next to it you will see the SD card slot. So you just have to simply hold the card with the metal contacts facing the correct direction and gently slide it into this particular slot. Do not force the card inside, you just have to push until you hear or feel a small click. Now if the card keeps popping out, it probably isn't inserted fully. So after you have inserted it, you just have to simply power the camera back on, and the camera should automatically detect the memory card within just a few seconds. Once detected, the new photos can be stored directly on the micro SD card instead of only the internal memory. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.